Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. This is my post-market wrap-up on this Monday, December 16, 2019, and we have to talk. We have to talk seriously. Let's start off with this. Stocks finished with record highs for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ. And I'm going to let you in on a secret. We're not done. I've been explaining this to you since I don't know how long. And every time I say that, I get slammed with, Greg, you're an idiot. Stocks are going lower. Stop telling people to buy the market. And without exception, once I have been correct. And I will be correct again. So for all of you that are thinking about telling me how wrong I am, don't bet against me in this market. I don't want to sound arrogant. But those that do end up losing. That's the truth. Ask any one of my lions. I'm not tooting my own horn. I am telling you the truth. Big difference here, okay? So let's set the stage here. I explained to you that the cryptocurrencies were going to take a hit here or do nothing along with precious metals, and that's exactly what is happening. Why? It's risk on. That means more cash into the stock market. Crude oil over 60, going up. You know what this does to the market. It's an engineered, rigged, communist, fascist market. It's managed. You know who's managing it. And that's it. Nothing is what it seems, but that is how we make it work. This is a dream come true. If you are a follower of my work, you have got to sit back and say, how does Greg do it? I'm going to tell you how Greg does it. Greg works very, very hard to stay ahead of this market. And why? Because I have a lot of people, tens of thousands of you, who follow my work all over this world. So that means I got to get it right. Am I going to always be right? No. But am I right a frankly astonishing amount of times? Yes. And it's not that I have a crystal ball, or even if I had a crystal ball, I couldn't call these things better than I do here. This is just hard work. Hard work pays off. Let's move forward here. So, we know what's going to happen to this stock market. Up. Does that mean that tomorrow is not going to give back a little bit? No, of course. But the trajectory is higher. Crude oil, same thing. Higher. Cryptocurrencies will remain under pressure. Gold and silver, same thing. Why? It's risk on. Now, let me explain this to you too. We found out today, and I hate to say this really bothers me, but United States citizens are now more reliant on credit or borrowing than they have ever been in recorded history. Does that sound like a booming economy to you? It's incredible. People are borrowing from their credit cards to make ends meet. But the narrative, it is completely false, it is completely fake, and it makes me want to throw up. Is that we are booming. Our economy is as good as it's ever been. Look, it's a lie. Why do we sit back and take it? Because all politicians do it? Oh, Greg, it's okay if President Trump lies or Kudlow lies or whoever else lies. Oh, because it's all been done before. So what does this mean? We all have to stay in a state of learned helplessness? Learned helplessness? Is that what we do? Do we turn into freaking zombies? Are we mush? So we just tolerate it. Is that what we do? Well, that's maybe what you do. You're not one of my lions or one of my followers if that's you. Every single one of my loyal followers, again, there are tens of freaking thousands of you all over the world. None of you will lay down for this nonsense. You will stand up and fight, and we need a revolution, people. A freaking revolt in this country. It's the truth. But again, the game is what it is. Now, so we just found out, you as consumers, citizens, more indebted than they have ever been, and they're borrowing more than they have ever borrowed before. Who's supplying the funds? Where does it come from? It gets added to a digital screen. Once one of these people applies for a loan, it's created out of thin air. It doesn't even exist. It's a crazy situation, but it's getting much worse. So we're obviously, look, this is the bubble. This is the all-encompassing bubble. We've never seen anything like it before. It's the bubble of lies, too. It is an epic bubble of lies like you cannot possibly believe. Historic deal. It's historic. Well, it isn't even here. We'll have a deal. Oh, it's completely done. Really? Oh, can we see the deal that's been signed? Really? This is the narrative. Kudlow today. Kudlow was another one of the freaks that were brought out today to talk about how magnificent this deal is. The guy is a coke addict and he's addicted to a lot of other things too, I'm sure. So maybe he's high on something. But Larry, we're not that dumb, dude. Maybe you are because you got coke-induced brain damage. No, there's no deal. We know that, okay? Maybe some people who just think certain people walk on water, you know who I'm talking about? Maybe they think there's a deal because they're easy to manipulate. You understand? They have mush brains. So a mush brain can be molded into whatever you want it to. Me, I have the brain of a lion, and so do all of you that follow my work. Period. The end. People, this is all about opportunity, okay? I'm going to say it, and I'm going to take heat for it. I don't give a damn. Nobody, I don't care where you want to look, I don't care who you want to listen to, is calling this market or has called this market better than me in every aspect of it, too. It's incredible. So, it's opportunity for you, it's opportunity for me, and we are not going to let this pass by. The mush brains, oh, yeah, they're going to let it just pass on by. Pass right on by. Not me. Oh no, I will not do that. Neither will you. Unless, of course, your brain is turning to mush listening to Larry Kudlow, Donald freaking Trump, all these other imbeciles crawling out of the woodwork. Oh yeah, it's fantastic, it's tremendous, it's not even here. You got that, right? Look, I don't care, you know this, what they do to metals. I don't care what they do to cryptocurrencies. This is easily foreseeable. The environment is risk on. That means longer term, you look at assets that are being suppressed. And then when this reverses, what do you think happens? It just goes up. All those suppressed assets become real. There's no price discovery right now at all behind a single piece of metal, gold, silver, platinum, palladium, nor a single one of the top cryptocurrencies. None. Zero. You know that. Take advantage of this, people. I really don't know another way to put it. It's just so easy to me. I had a really good day today in the market. I actually hung up my hat trading way early. See, that's the thing, too. Let's be honest with each other. Is greed good? That's debatable. But now it does seem that it's legal. I know you understand where that's from. But I think for myself, what I try to do is I try to set a target. This is what I'm happy with for the day. And, once I hit that goal, I kind of will back off. I'll kind of almost look for an excuse not to trade anymore. And if you, again, understand how I've explained, look, intraday trading, that's what I do. I'm looking to do this, an IPO, an in, profit, out. Our job is not to pick bottoms, it's not to pick tops, it's to get into this market and pull a profit. Several trades a day, boom, 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 boom. 2, 3, 4, maybe, and that's it. That's what we do. And for me, because I'm old, my brain can't focus, I think, maybe like some of you young ones can, So that's it. I get in here. I don't try to pick a bottom. I don't try to pick a top. I just try to get in with the trend, pull a profit, move forward. IPO. In, profit, out. You understand? Look, before I let you go, I'm going to give you a big heads up here. You all know I'm redoing my website, right? Okay. The quant system is not going to be on my new website. So if you want the quant system, it's free. Go get it now. Go to my website, traderschoice.net. About 2 weeks, it will not be there. So instead of sitting here and going, oh, I missed the opportunity to get it now. Click on the stinking thing when you're done with the video. Just get it. Anyway, look, I'm out of here before I get zany. You know where we're at. You know what to do from every angle of this market. You know where crude's going. You know where stocks are going. You know what stocks to buy. I just told you yesterday. My God. You know where metals are going, and you know where the opportunities are longer term. I'm out of here. Love you a lot. Please share the video. See you in the morning.